What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video we're going to be doing a cold starter on the RM85. A lot of you guys requested a how to wheelie video, so I'm going to do a video on that for sure tomorrow. I think should have one out tomorrow. So as you can see, started up. It pretty much starts up first kick without the choke. Now that it's got a full top and bottom end rebuild, it starts pretty much first kick. You just kick it and it starts up, let it idle, let it warm up, and take off and rip it.